Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Grace here. If you're new to my channel, I'm a digital growth strategist. Have you ever considered starting a career in digital marketing? Today, digital marketing is still considered as one of the in-demand jobs because of the thriving digital business and new challenges. Recently, I got a chance to speak at a public event talking about the digital marketing career, and have met a lot of folks who are either an early marketers or who just want to start a career in digital marketing. And they have asked me a lot of good questions. So in this episode, I'm going to share 5 tips to help you to step into this field as quickly as possible. If you're ready, let's get started. Tip number 1. Find out if digital marketing really suits you. Steve Jobs has once said, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Don't get me wrong, we're not here to find out your lifelong passion, but there are some check items you can follow to see if digital marketing may be something you enjoy doing. Because if you also want to thrive in this field, you should at least enjoy doing it, right?
I'm gonna enjoy it.
Now, honestly ask yourself if you love marketing, meaning deep in your heart you enjoy promoting a service or product to the market and get constant feedback from your customers. Data analytics, meaning you're comfortable working with different data and metrics. Hitting goals, meaning you love achieving results and keep experimenting on your strategy. Market research, meaning you're comfortable doing a tons of research around your competitors, your target market, and your ideal customers. Teamwork, meaning you're comfortable working with other people and collaborate as a team to achieve big goals. Learning, meaning you love learning new things, new technologies, and deeply curious about every tech that is new to you. If you got all these boxes checked, congratulations! You have already passed an initial screening. I'm pretty confident digital marketing is something that you will love doing. There are still different roles within digital marketing. You should get an understanding about each of them and see if any of them can resonate you. Some common roles include content marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, digital analytics, paid marketing or PPC, social media, conversion optimization, email marketing, e-commerce marketing. If you want to learn more about each area, check out my other video on Digital Marketing 101. Tip number 2, get hands-on experience. If you want to start a career in digital marketing but don't have relevant experience, there is no other easier or better way than the DIY do-it-yourself approach, which means with the specific areas that you want to go for, just start doing. If you want to get SEO experience, you can start building a blog using WordPress, do some keyword research, and then translate them into a content calendar with SEO keywords. Start publishing articles and keep track on your keyword ranking results. If you want to get digital analytics experience, the easiest way is to get a domain and build a website, and to implement the analytics tracking yourself. You can also follow the Google official step-by-step guide to get the J4 tracking in place. You can also try the Google Local Studio to build some simple dashboard and to put down the insights that you have noticed. If you want to get social media experience, you can start building a social channel like YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and start doing social posting and build your followings. Or you can even put some budget investment and just to get some hands-on experience, like setting up a Shopify online shop or launching a campaign and to drive traffic to your website. Just doing is not enough. Document your project key milestone, key strategies and learning, and most importantly, the achievement that you've made and put them into your portfolio. It will become a strong showcase for you to step into this field quickly. Tip number 3, get certifications. Because digital marketing is literally technical, getting some certifications will help you to prove your skill set and to demonstrate you have the relevant knowledge, particularly when you're just starting out. And it helps you to make you stand out from other candidates.
These guys are pros.
There are different types of certifications out there, and you should choose wisely to pick those who are highly recognized in the industry. You don't need to get a bunch of them, but getting 1 or 2 would definitely make a difference. Again, consider the stream that you want to go for. You can get the corresponding certificates. For example, if you want to start a role in digital analytics, you can get the Google Analytics certifications for J4. Or if you want to start a role in social media, you can also get one of the Meta Blueprint certifications, depending the level that you're at. Other certifications include Google Ads certifications, HubSpot certifications, SEMrush certifications, and a lot more. Different courses are programmed will vary in length, ranging from a few months, a few weeks, and a course and the level of difficulties. So do some research, analyze them carefully based on your goal and your own situations before you start devoting your time on it. Highlight them in your resume, your LinkedIn profile, or your personal site if you have one, so that you can maximize the impact of the effort that you've put. Tip number 4. Only mention relevant experience in your resume. Instead of just recapping the duties in your past role, you should only put relevant experience that is related to the role you're applying for, and to link it back to the business or project outcomes with measurable results. And because digital marketing is very performance-driven, and at the same time, it also requires a high degree of collaboration with others, you should aim to demonstrate you have both the hard skills and soft skills needed. For example, for hard skills, you can mention how many percentage of traffic or wavelength uplift that you've driven for your past companies or your projects, and what strategy did you use. And in terms of soft skills, you can mention how you have worked with a cross-functional team to ensure a campaign success. Or you can mention your script projects if you don't have any work experience, so that you can demonstrate you have a strong collaboration skills. Make sure your resume is no more than 2 pages. Make it very concise instead of just dumping irrelevant experience. If you also got a personal portfolio site, that's perfect and you should include it. We'll talk more about how to build your perfect resume in other episodes. Tip number 5. Apply and connect with the hiring team. Of course, the final step is to apply. And depending on your location, you can start with those local well-known job search platforms, but I will always recommend to start with the global ones because of the high coverage in job vacancies across different industries and different regions. They include LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, Monster, Simply Hi. Do a job search on this platform and start applying. If you have some targeted companies in mind, you should also go to their career website and to find out if there are any open vacancies in digital marketing related roles. Include a cover letter and do not mass sending your job applications. Be purposeful with a tailor-made resumes that I've covered in tip number 4. If you also know the hiring team, connect them on LinkedIn and directly send your resumes to them. Others submitted your job applications on this platform, also submit it on their company's website. It may help to increase your chance of being selected, as you won't know how the companies will prioritize different channels for receiving resumes. We'll talk more about how to prepare your job interview for digital marketing roles in other episodes. Start a career in digital marketing is not as hard as you think. Just get your hands dirty quickly, and along the way, you will understand which specific area in digital marketing you want to go. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channels to learn other digital growth strategies and personal growth experience. Thanks for watching. I wish you luck in your journey and I will see you in the next video.